This drone is damaged. This gimbal is a bit wibbly wobbly when it's flying. It can't focus anymore. It can't be centered anymore. So we booked it in for a repair. They just told me to send in this base unit and provide the packing slip. So I'm just going to wrap it up with lots of bubble wrap and send it off. Choo, choo! I'm a drone that's been bubble wrapped. Wah, wah. Choo, choo!
Off to the post office I go.
Is it fully packed?
Yes, the DJI Mavic drone.
You're not allowed to fly drones near here.
It's no battery. Continue to lose weight, and if you continue to lose weight, then...
Alright guys, we are back and we are going to pick up our drone. It's been 8 days since we sent it off, and apparently it's been fixed free of charge, and it's at the post office. So we're going to be picking it up and letting you know if it's actually fixed.
And if it works, because you know, it might be broken still.
And so, you think I should lose weight or get... Hey, it's back. They've given us a new cover. They use just normal tape. Look at this tape, masking tape. Alright, looks like we got a brand new replacement with a different serial number. So the idea is we're going to be having to relink these guys together. Controller. Remote control linking, primary. Okay. Alright, now it's linked. Da-da-da-da. Hey, I'm alive. Alright, we're going back to the place where we found out that the gimbal was acting up. We're going to be showing you the nicest houses on the Gold Coast.
My God.
They look amazing.
Seriously, they're like mansions. Mansions, I tell you, mansions.
So hopefully this fella will work well and the focusing would be better. Alright, do you think it'll work? I think it'll work. I think it's going to be awesome.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's rock.
Such a small drone. From now on, I'm always going to be protecting my gimbal with this outer casing, which is a... How do you take it off? Oh, you flick it up like this.
It's really funny.
And secondly, I got my inner casing, and it's this fella. What you do is you push the gimbal forward, and then you pull that out.
Bye-bye.
There you go, it works.
I am going to be chasing this bad boy with this bad boy camera. I'm going to be running after it with my super zoom.
Super zoom! Sorry.
That's awesome.
Alright, gotta say, I was happy with that performance. I liked that it was in focus, and I liked that the gimbal was working. So I'm very satisfied with the fix.
Woo! So, I'm really pleased they fixed it. It used to shake and tremor, and that used to make me think, oh my God, like what's gonna happen? Is it gonna fall from the sky? But on this occasion, it's been beautiful. I actually managed to track it a few times, like zoomed in like quite a lot. And actually I didn't even do the full zoom. As you guys will see, I probably only went halfway, and you can see the lights flashing, even though it's like way up in the sky and you can't even see it with your visible eye. So that is crazy. This camera is awesome. This DJI is awesome. It works, and the pictures are stunning. Oh my God. Oh my God. I love them both.